Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ollama locally and run large language models right on your computer. If you're interested in AI or want to have your AI chatbot locally, this is a tutorial for you. By running the local AI models, you get some advantages like you don't have to send any data online to any servers or corporations, and that keeps your data safe and private. And the other thing is you can actually work offline and anytime you want with your AI model, and there is no restriction on the amount of the times that you can use it, and basically you have unlimited access to your own AI assistant. Okay, in order to install Ollama on your computer, first you need to download its installation files. So head to the ollama.com, and right here you can see there's a download button as well as top here. So click on any of those, and based on your operation system you can select any of these options. So we are going to click on Windows because obviously we are using Windows operation system, and click on the download and download the application. After downloading the Ollama, you can click on this. You get a file called Ollama setup. You run this file. It's a pretty simple installation wizard. So you just click on install, and as you can see, I already have the Ollama. If you get this error, it's nothing too much important because my Ollama, as you can see right here, is already running. Either I exit from here or I just leave it at this option. So when you click on next, it's going to automatically close those. And if you don't have Ollama installed previously, which most of you guys don't, you don't see this page, and it goes straight to the installing, which is this page. So you wait here for the installation to be over, and then we can go to the next step. As you can see, the installation is over, and in order for Ollama to work, we need to download some AI models for it. Because Ollama itself, it's not an LLM or anything related to it, it's an CLI, it's something that is a middleman. It's kind of a middleman between you and the AI model. It takes your prompts, your customization of that model, and transmit those to the model itself and gives you back the answer. So with that in mind, we come here. You need to go to the Ollama site and come to the models, and you can select pretty much any model here. But I already have some models pulled for my Ollama. I'm not going to download it again, but I'm going to show you, for example, this Llama 3.3, which has been updated 4 weeks ago. So if you click on it, you can see there is the variations for that model, and there's some extra information here, description of this model at the bottom, so you can get pretty much any information you need from that model. The point here is this command right here. In order to pull this model and use it on Ollama, you need to run this command. So I'm going to open my command prompt, and just like this, I paste the command right here. There you go, and press enter, and it's going to pull the manifest and download that command, that model for you. I'm going to skip this because it's 42 gigabytes and it's going to take a lot of time right here, and I'm just going to skip to the next part. All right, so after you've downloaded or pulled your model from the Ollama servers, you can interact with the Ollama CLI in your command prompts. It's just like this. You can run Ollama list, or actually let's run Ollama first. You can see there is a bunch of commands that you can run in order to interact with the Ollama. It's good to check the information here if you forget something about it or needed information about any attributes or commands, specific commands. So here we are going to run this one, the list, which lists the models for us. So I'm going to run Ollama list, and as you can see, I got a bunch of models downloaded already. Yours should be one if you already pulled anything. If this list empty, you should come to the Ollama site on the models tab and actually download the model for yourself. After you've downloaded the model, you can run it using the Llama. So I'm going to use the Llama 3.1. I'm just going to copy this and type Ollama, run, and paste the model's name and press enter. It's going to take a bit time based on your hardware configuration to load this. Mine is already loaded. So as you can see, now I can interact with this model. So let's say hi. As you can see, it's so fast and it's going to answer you right away. So let's see how does it perform. Okay, give me kind of let's see what we can generate here. Give me a short story about a horse which can fly. Okay, let's see what the answer is going to be. So the sky horse, and as you can see, it goes on and generate all of these answers for us. And the good thing about it is it's all offline. You don't need to actually send any information anywhere, and it's not just chatting. You can have the Ollama's API connected to your applications and run the chat locally. So I'm going to cover some videos on that topic for the Ollama's API, which you can run and create your own chatbot, something like ChatGPT, on your computer. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you, and if it does, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.